Good evening, everyone. My topic is Unstoppable Journey from Stigma to Strength. So, today I am going to present my own story, the real story. So, I was a child who was every parent dreamed of obedient, disciplined, and the brilliant one. Everywhere my parents go, they will feel celebrated, they were appreciated. Then come to the marriage, another just like a fairy tale. Everything was going so smooth with love, care, affection around. सबका साथ था, खुशियों से भरा संसार था. But all of a sudden, as fairy tale doesn't last anymore. One day, I observed some of the white patches on my skin. Then, it was around 1.5 years of my marriage. Then I initially brushed it off, considering it as a fungal infection. Soon after that, it was appeared on the next leg. Then, within 2-3 months, 70% of my body was covered with the white patches all around the body. I was just thinking what is happening. I was just able to gather myself. Before that, the world around me was falling apart in the judgment. I am no longer accepted. I was not disappearing from the mirror. I am disappearing from my life itself. I have written one poetry, माना दाग अच्छे हैं, कुछ दाग अच्छे हैं. तो I would like to quote one quote from that poetry. माना कि दाग है मुझ में, माना कि दाग है मुझ में, पर बेदाग तो तुम भी नहीं, पर बेदाग तो तुम भी नहीं. फर्क सिर्फ है इतना, मेरे छुपते नहीं, तुम्हारे दिखते नहीं. I went to the doctor and I was diagnosed as vitiligo bilateral bulgaritis. That is an aggravated form of the vitiligo. My whatever I have on the right side will be mirrored to the left side. That's why it's bilateral. Okay, that's fine. Then I faced the rejection which I have never faced in my life. Everyone around me, they feel shame in walking along with me. People feel shame in publicly accepting me that I belongs to them. They don't want to get the photographs clicked with me because they feel shame. So nobody is going to accept the way I am. My heart is same, my feelings are same. But what thing has changed? That is the mindset which has changed. Oh, so these white patches, the feeling of the people are feeling shame in considering me that I have the white patches, I am not look good. This vitiligo doesn't have any change in my any of the condition, physical condition, only in my appearance, and that appearance matters. It matters so that a one person can be neglected so much. I didn't think so. I was just searching a light in that darkness. Then I came to one story that was of Stephen Hawking. He was suffered from the ALS, amyotrophic lateral syndrome, sclerosis at the age of 21. He was also very well, and all of a sudden he also get a shock. In that, he was given only 2 years to live. 2 years. But he once described, life may be challenging. Life may be challenging, but there is always one thing that can be celebrated and succeed at. So that change, that gave me one light that he was well accepted and he was well celebrated. Then why don't I? Then I understand that there is a change in the mindset. My moving may be limited, but my mind has no boundaries. My mindset, that is the change in my mindset, transformation in my mindset is my survival. Stephen Hawking not only redefined the survival, he redefined also the possibility of living, a hope, a physics. Again, I would like to quote 2 lines. रोकने टोकने वाले बहुत मिलेंगे, पर तेरे पास है दो रास्ते, या तो जो हुआ उसे भुला दो या सोच सोच के खुद को गला दो। हौसला ही है सबसे बड़ी ताकत, हौसला ही है सबसे बड़ी ताकत। तुम इसको कभी मत होने देना, जितना भी रोके कोई उतनी तेजी से आगे बढ़। Because you don't have to suffer because of me. And people have crossed all the boundaries in criticizing not only me, my parents and my family. They reached to my family also. My husband told me, this thing happened to you, but if this thing happened to me, what could you have done? I said that I will be with you at that time. Then the same thing he told me. Then I said, okay. It took me 8 years to understand and to start relieving and to accept the thing, and I accepted myself. When I accepted myself, everything around me changed. So I'm here to say that life is not easy. I'm here to say life is unpredictable. Sometimes it breaks you, sometimes it makes you. What matter is how you come back in your life. If any one of you have ever faced the lowest phase in your life, no matter what, my journey will remind you that you are not broken, you are becoming. They see a flaw in me, they label me with flaws. They label me with flaws. I answered them in my silence. My silence was resilience. I convert my scars into my strength, my silence into resilience, and my pain into poetries. And that's why I'm here. At the end, I would like to mention that ए जिंदगी दे मुझे मौका ऐसा, ए जिंदगी दे मुझे मौका ऐसा, कर पाऊं दुनिया में नाम उनका रोशन जरा सा, जिसने मुझे पाला पोसा। Also, I would like to mention that this is not the end of my story. This is अब तो है बस एक जुनून, करना है कुछ ऐसा काम। अब तो है बस एक जुनून, करना है कुछ ऐसा काम, जो साथ चलने में थे मेरे शर्माते, या मुझे अपना कहने से थे कतराते। बोले वही लोग, अपना हो तो कोई इसके जैसा, जिसने ना सिर्फ नाम अपना है चमकाया, बट गर्व से सबका सिर भी है उठाया। थैंक यू।